Welcome to class number 5 of the Leaving Cert Ordinary Level Algebra course, which is the final class on solving quadratic equations. Example 1. Solve x minus 1 over x is equal to 2. Write your answer in the form a plus or minus root b. Multiply each term by x to get rid of fractions. Giving x squared minus 1 is equal to 2x. Bring all terms to the left-hand side. Write down the coefficients a, b and c. Replace a, b and c in the formula with their values. Everywhere you see a letter in the formula, replace it by a bracket and fill the bracket with the correct number. Work out all the brackets. Tidy up inside the square root. Root 8 breaks down to 2 root 2. Divide the 2 into each term above, giving solutions of 1 plus root 2 or 1 minus root 2. Example 2. Solve 3 over 2x minus 1 is equal to 1 plus 2x over x plus 2. Multiply each term by 2x minus 1 times x plus 2 to get rid of all the fractions. The 2x minus 1 brackets cancel, leaving 3 times x plus 2. 1 by 2x minus 1 times x plus 2 gives 2x minus 1 times x plus 2. The x plus 2 brackets cancel, leaving plus 2x times 2x minus 1. Multiply out the brackets. Tidy up the right-hand side. Bring all terms to the right-hand side. Divide across by 2. Factorize the quadratic in the usual way. The factors are 3x minus 4 times x plus 1. Put each factor equal to 0. Giving a solution of x is equal to 4/3. And x is equal to minus 1. That's the end of the class. Have a look at the demonstration examples, and when you think you are ready, do the exercise worksheet.